Got my Scat Pack back. Looking good. I'm at the dentist. There you go. Got the Scat Pack today. Got it back. Looks pretty good. They did a good job matching it up. Got my new door, so pretty happy with it. So can't wax it for like 30 days, 60 days. So yeah, that's gonna be hard. We'll get my work vehicle ready for work. Should have that done by the weekend. This is staying home. And yeah, so it came out pretty good. I'll walk by it as soon as I get home. We'll take a look. Figure I'll show you guys. They got their stuff outside. They got too many cars like I do. Yeah, they matched the color up pretty good. So far, no issues that I can see of. It's kind of cloudy. I checked over the paint. There's no model. Looks pretty good. Matches pretty good with the original paint. With the clear coat and the color of the Plum Crazy. Yeah, it came out pretty good. So, yeah, pretty happy with that. Even inside the door jamb, everything like that, looked good. So, it stinks, man. It's every time I'm off a day of work, it rains. You guys get like that when you're off work and then it rains all dang time? Sorry if that camera's kind of jumpy. I'm holding it. I didn't prepare to bring a mount or anything like that. I had to try to hear you pick this up and go to the dentist, get a ride and all that today. So, yeah, take a little cruise. Yeah, I'll do a walk around when I get home. We'll check it out and look at it, you know, and it's about it. They gave it alignment, so it was out of whack a little bit. So yeah, looks pretty good, and you guys can tell me what you guys think. I'm happy to get it back. It's been a long few weeks with it gone. Yeah, with this Charger, you know, I really haven't got to, you know, since I got it, enjoy it, learn the features on it with the performance pages and stuff like that, and, you know, make videos on the performance pages. I just really have never even got to really mess with it, you know. Had the car for about a little over a month, and then boom, the accident happened. And yeah, most of the time the wife was driving back and forth to work, and so hopefully now I can drive it more on the weekends and after work, and practice with the performance pages and stuff, and yeah, make some more videos on the Dodge Plum Crazy. So looking forward to that. And what's bad is winter's coming, so but at least it's home, and if it's not bad out, I can take it for a ride, stuff like that. So yeah, still gonna enjoy it, that's for sure, even though it's been got hit, and oh well, what are you gonna do? Still enjoy it up. So you have to. It kind of stinks it's gonna, you know, have a mark on the Carfax, but I don't know. I'm not gonna worry about it too much. So it blends in pretty good in my opinion. So looks good. I used to paint, so I kind of knew what to kind of look for. They did pretty good. They had one of the workers had Plum Crazy RT with the Scat Pack package on there. I don't know if that, I think that's what they call it, or Super Pack. And he had a Plum Crazy RT up there, and he's got the cat logo on the side of it. You know, I was gonna get some footage of it, but it was hard. Maybe I'll do a drive-by one day, and I'll take some footage of it sitting there. So alright, I'm pulling in the house, and let's take a look. There it is. They had to do some work in here. This was meant from the impact. I figured it was because the door won't open. Got a new door. They blended in on the door. Driver's door. Remember, it was creased here. This was all good, and I had that crease here. Looks good. There's the bumper. A little bit of orange peel, but there's orange peel in the regular door too, the driver's door. So, and then the fender has it too. So it matches, in my opinion. Try side because you can see the orange fill here. So yeah, it matches pretty good. Give you guys an angle. They put my add-ons back on. So yeah, looks pretty good, guys. What do you think? They did a good job. Hard part's not gonna be able to wax it for 60 days. Ugh. Alright guys, you guys have a good one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hopefully start getting some videos of Plum Crazy Scat.